Soothing the situation. Mastering the art of calming down conflicts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to enhance your English language skills in an engaging and effective way. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in both casual and formal conversations: soothe the situation. Understanding this expression will not only enrich your vocabulary but also equip you with a powerful tool for navigating social interactions. Let's get started. The phrase, soothe the situation, is a figurative expression that means to calm down a tense or difficult situation. It involves actions or words that reduce anger, anxiety, or distress, promoting peace and understanding among those involved. The key word here is soothe, which means to gently calm or relieve. So, when we talk about soothing a situation, we're essentially talking about diffusing tensions and fostering a more harmonious environment. Soothe the situation can be used in a variety of contexts, from personal conflicts to professional disputes. The key to successfully soothing a situation lies in empathy, patience, and clear communication. 1. Empathy. Show that you understand and care about the feelings of others involved in the situation. 2. Patience. Give everyone time to cool down and reflect on the situation. Rushing to resolve a conflict can sometimes escalate it. 3. Clear communication. Use calm and reassuring language. Avoid blame and focus on finding a mutual solution. Here are some examples. In a disagreement with a friend, you might say, "Let's take a moment to cool down. I believe we can find a way to agree." In a professional setting, suggesting, "I think we should discuss this calmly and find a solution that benefits everyone," can help soothe tensions during a meeting. Using soothing words and actions is not a sign of weakness. Rather, it's a demonstration of emotional intelligence and leadership. It shows that you're capable of navigating difficult situations with grace and can help maintain healthy relationships both personally and professionally. Remember, the goal is to create a positive outcome where all parties feel heard and respected. Mastering the phrase, soothe the situation, and its application is an invaluable skill in any language, especially in English. It's about more than just vocabulary. It's about fostering better interactions and connections with others. We hope this video has shed light on how you can use this phrase to enhance your communication skills and navigate conflicts effectively. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future. Happy learning!